up at like 6:30 a.m. today
just to get to the skate park.
Yeah.
This snow,
It's pissing down. Like, if you can see, there's... you can't really see it on camera.
a lot of
There's
rain.
a lot of rain.
A lot of rain. Like, I can show you. Like, legit, it's just pouring down. Like, check this out. That's a lot of water. Oh, pretty rad, pretty rad. Right, so basically our aim for this is just to film like what we do on our days, just the best parts of our days. Most of them will probably be the same, considering that that's what we do on our days, more or less. We skateboard, we go to 7-Eleven, we buy a drink and a crisp. Buy board. Pretty sick, isn't it? Personally, I really like how he has like clear grip tape here with the stickers behind. I didn't think it would turn out that well, but it did, didn't it?
So, we've been skating for more or less an hour now.
More or less the whole day. Like legit. I don't know what we were thinking yesterday evening when we just called each other and said, hey, wanna go skating at like 6:30 at this skate park? We were supposed to go to the street spot, but then since it's pouring rain, we just, pouring down, we just decided to go to this park instead. I mean, it's no big deal.
So, we're just gonna go get something. Dying.
We've been trying to wait out the rain, but it doesn't seem... It's not raining as much now. Before it was like properly raining down.
This episode is sponsored by Advil.
It's a way, it's adrenaline drugs. You like taking it every day. Jonathan always says, when I ask, hey, what's your favorite food? He always says pills. No matter what, like, what do you like to eat?
I get sick a lot.
He gets sick a lot. Why does he get sick? Because he eats the pills. Do you know what I'm living for here? This man right here. Let's go! I gotta get close. Yep. Hey, let's get the umbrella. Hey. Let's get the umbrella. Blood on the umbrella.
Who did this history?
What?
What is it doing?
It's just saving battery. Oh, pretty sick. Dude, feel my finger. I'll show you my drink selection here. Where are the drinks? This is the problem with 7-Eleven. They just have too many drinks. Like, I can't choose which one to get. I know which one I want to get. This is the one I want to get. This stuff is good. I'm getting this. What is that? I'll give you this. I'll just order. Yeah, this is me. I have an umbrella over my drink. show them, maybe not today, but when it's not raining, we should show you the skate. It's pretty cool actually. It's under a bridge, and there's two highways on the side. And then DC decided to build a bridge here. I mean, build a skate park right here. I brought a broken umbrella, which is a bit unnecessary, because it didn't do a jack shit more than making my hand hurt. Hey, it's life. Jonathan is being a complete retard trying to skate down a rail, and I cut my finger. He is pretty sick at skateboarding, isn't he? I've never understood this before, but people look at you in the weirdest ways when you're walking around with a camera in your hand. They're like, who the hell is that guy? Vlogging isn't good for me because I feel like it's just destroying my finger. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know how well this shows up on camera, but it's really like wet inside of it. It's actually it's called red. We're getting some backup here. Being rejected. I think everyone is still asleep. I don't know if you can see, but the entire skate park is practically empty. There's no one here. We're the only ones. Because first of all, it's pouring outside, and then it's only like 9:20, so people are still like sleeping. Because it's Sunday here. Don't hate, appreciate. Actually, that's not the one I was gonna write, but that's the one that was gonna write. So I'll probably use no pain, no gain more. Jonathan is skating. Because that's what he does best. That face right there. Pretty clean ollie right there. Right, I'm gonna show you what it looks like before. I'm gonna show you halfway through and after. So this is my board right now. It's a loaded fat tail. I like it a lot, but pretty dull right here. I'm gonna draw something cool here. I'm gonna write no pain, no gain. Now we have the color select. I think I'm gonna write no in white like this. Like no. Actually, that's not gonna fit, is it? I should write no like this. And then pain up here. Wait, pain in blue. And then gain in orange. Think that's gonna work? Where's my grip tape now? No pain, no gain. What do you think of it? Scale of 1 to 10. I mean, it's not as good as his grip tape. I mean, like, check this out. This is my favorite. Get out of me, swamp! Eat, sleep, snake. It's supposed to be skate. It's supposed to be skate. What do you have to say to yourself? Don't run away. Come back here. What do you have to say to yourself? Ooh, okay. You're forgiven. You're forgiven. Anyways, I think this was pretty sick. I don't know about you guys. Leave a comment and tell me what you think of it. I find it pretty sick. I might just be rolling a thread. Check this again. It's like skating a ball. He's been nailing them like so bad lately. He's been doing them like at least like 3 attempts he nails 2 of them. He just learned them. That's gonna be sick. Right. So I'm going to get some more tape because we ran out of tape for to stick the GoPro with the tape. Oh. Well, I'm going into leave my board. I'll walk there. It's twice as fast, and I don't want to break my new bearings, so we're gonna have to live with that. That's alright. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see. That's basically. Hey Jonathan, I'm ditching my board here because it's raining way too much. I'll walk over there. He doesn't see that. Yeah, so basically, here's the work of Eric. The old roll, the rest of the rolls, and selection stuff. But this is pretty much done. Good. Look at the rain. What has this world come to? Yeah, so basically I use tape to stick my GoPro to the skateboard when I skate. But it tends to fall off at some time. And then I'll just run out of tape. So I don't know where to get tape here. So I'm just going to Family Mart to see if there's tape there. Okay guys, so I found a lot of shit, but nothing else. Oh wait. This is tape. Yeah, we go with that. There's no better tape. This actually went a lot better than I expected. I both got a drink and I found some tape. I didn't think that had tape. Call attempt number 3. Rejected? Yeah, rejected. We realized that we should do a skate hack because we have Mr. Jonathan himself, which has hacked all physics currently occurring on the Earth. So tell them the whole story.
Basically, I was ollieing a 3-stair and my bearing crushed. You can't buy one bearing anywhere, so I just put spacers inside the wheel so it wouldn't move, and it spins fine at the moment. It's just kind of crooked. Yeah, it skates fine.
Let's just summarize this. You can tell that it's skating perfectly fine. Nothing's wrong with it. And it only has one bearing. Basically it has one bearing and then it has 2 spacers, and then we put the bolt on at the end. Also my camera's getting low on battery, which isn't all that nice. And